Today we're going to be doing a calibration on my new Katool KT-710G wheel balance machine. And I contacted Katool and let them know that I'm having trouble calibrating my machine and asked them if they could send me instructions on how to do it. So they sent me a link to a video. Well, the video was in Chinese. There's nothing wrong with Chinese, but I don't understand Chinese. But it looked like in the video they were having the same trouble that I was having. So what I did is I went on YouTube and I searched a few videos of Katool wheel balance calibration, and there was some similarities and some things that were different on this machine as opposed to other machines, but it was close enough to where I think I have the calibration down now. So I'm going to show you how to calibrate this machine. Okay, first thing is you have to have your machine on a nice flat level hard surface so it doesn't move around on you. Preferably get you a steel wheel, 14, 15 inch, something like that. This is off of my utility trailer. It's a 15 inch. And now we're ready to go. I've got my wheel mounted, so we're going to turn it on. Now I'm going to show you there's different settings for this for where you put your weights at. And with the ALU button, you hit that and a light comes on. You hit it again, it moves down, moves down, moves down, and then they all go out. You want these all out. You don't want any of these lit during the calibration mode. Okay, now we need to set our adjustments. So this adjustment is from to the edge of the rim. So if I bring my gauge out to the edge of the rim, it's about 5 inches. So I'm going to adjust this down to 5 inches. Then I'll take my caliper tool and I'll measure that. And that is 5 inches as well. And then my rim size is 15. Okay, so now we have all of our measurements set for our wheel. So we'll put it in calibration mode, hit C and F at the same time, and it puts it in calibration mode. So now we're going to spin it. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. And then we're going to stop it. Okay, now we can put the weight on the outside of the rim out here. The one that they supply, the 100 gram, and it doesn't matter because these lights don't move. You can put it anywhere on the wheel. So find a good spot. And attach it on. And then we'll spin it again. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Then we'll stop it. Now it's gone to the other side. So we'll take our weight off. Now on this side, we have to roll the wheel until we get a full set of lights. Right there. And at 12 o'clock, from this shaft, straight up 12 o'clock, we're going to put this weight that they supply, which is a 100 gram weight. Okay, now let's spin it again. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Did you see it real quickly? It said calibration end. That means that the calibration is completed. So I come over here and I turn the machine off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this weight off on this side. Okay, now I'm going to turn the machine back on. And I'll punch in the right parameters again, which is 5, 5, 15. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and start it up again. It'll show what the balance needs to be. 1003, 1004, 1005. There we go. I need 2 ounces on the inside and a 3/4 of an ounce on the outside. So now we're ready to balance. One thing I want to point out before you do this is I found one little secret to this. See this right here where it has an A with 2 lines, slashes on it? Whenever you set your parameters of your wheel, see it still says A, but whenever I go down to here and I set this to 5 like it's supposed to be, it looks like a B or a 6. And then I set this to 15-inch rim, now it's at a D. Don't do your calibration yet. Come up here and hit this button one more time until it's showing A, and then you can calibrate by hitting these 2 buttons. It'll go into calibration mode. So you got to have it in the A in order to calibrate it correctly. That's what I found out. Well, hopefully that was helpful. I know it was helpful to me once I got it done, so now I know my calibration is correct on it. Just for you guys that watch my channel on motorcycles and stuff, they do make a wheel adapter on this for motorcycle wheels, and I am going to purchase one, and I'm going to be able to balance motorcycle wheels on this as well. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. All right, that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you coming along and watching, and I'll see you on the next one.